Hi, everybody. It's Rick Wagner, attorney here in Grand Junction, Colorado. All we do here in my firm is injury cases where you get injured in an automobile accident, bicycle accident, anything like that. If you're injured through the fault of somebody else, come see us. We'd like to see if we can't help you. But right now, I want to talk to you a little bit about what's going on with replacement cost and so forth of your car, because I've been seeing a lot of people that come in here with problems that way. And it's because they don't realize how much value you lose in a car, particularly a new car. But everybody's going to experience this, but new cars especially. And I'll give you a couple of figures on that. Don't worry, there's a little math here. We've already done it for you. A new car on the average loses 11% of its value when it drives off the lot. And that first year you own it, averages about 20% of its value. So if you finance that, there's 20% of the value of the car right away. Now, your insurance policy in most cases is not going to be replacement cost. It's going to be the cash value of the car. Well, if the cash value of the car, when it gets totaled, if we're assuming here it's getting totaled, and you're trying to get the value of it, they're paying you what the actual cash value of that is, minus inflation and the cost of the car, conditions, stuff like that. Chances are you're not going to be able to replace that vehicle for what you're going to get. Now, if you put money down on that car, if you put 20% down over the first year, that 20% is gone. So you're not going to be able to do it without ending up putting up some money in some bad situations. So make sure that you try, if you can, get replacement cost insurance, which replaces the car 100% of what it would cost to replace that car when it gets totaled. So you don't end up where you don't have enough money to get the vehicle that just got wrecked. I'm just saying, it's kind of complicated, but if you stop and think about it, you realize that everything goes down in value and new cars really go down fast. And if you finance it, you can really find yourself in a pickle. So make sure, if you can, get replacement cost, not actual cash value. You'll be much better in the long run. Thanks a lot. Once again, it's Rick Wagner. Enjoy your video.